Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Word version and backing up the document. This prevents data loss. Once done, open the duplicate and disable add-ins. These often cause rendering issues. Make sure to switch view modes between print layout and draft to check if content reappears. Also, inspect compatibility mode and enable content if blocked by security prompts. If the file is large, let Word fully load. Wait until any spinning cursor stops, then move to targeted repairs. Next, diagnose the unreadable content by checking styles, font color, and hidden text. Sometimes text is there but invisible. Once identified, clear direct formatting and reapply a known good style to restore legibility. If that fails, use File Open, choose the backup, and select Open and Repair. This often fixes corruption. Make sure to extract raw text using Recover Text from any file or open the file in Notepad to salvage content. Then rebuild formatting in the repaired copy. Finish by reapplying standard fonts and a clean template, then use Replace to correct any remaining formatting anomalies. Once done, save the result as a new. Docx and test it on another computer or Word online to confirm readability. This verifies the problem was local. If content still appears unreadable, import all content into a fresh document or run a reputable recovery tool, and if necessary, restore the backup. Troubleshooting tip: if visuals break, check printer drivers and graphics acceleration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.